Hi all, my name is Juliana Parra Rodriguez. I am a student of Industrial Engineering, and today I will come to present you the Unit 2, Step 3, Identify Technology Value. First, we have our synoptic table, in which we can see the issue that I select, that was lack of information on the market and commercialization channels. Then we have the causes and consequences. The first cause that I identified was few intellectual sources where to find this information. The information that is found isn't clear or consistent, so many doubts are generated regarding the subject. Many companies hide the commercialization channels used. There is no information supported by bibliographic sources or by government plans or programs. And the last cause is that sometimes the information found may be false. Then we have the consequences. The first consequence is that companies lose interest in this type of information. It generates monetary losses for many companies. Companies may make bad decisions when creating value in the products offered. The potential of commercialization channels in favor of the company can be lost and wasted. Companies can lose contact from the manufacturer to the final consumer. And finally, we have that companies' marketing and advertising are affected by this issue. But we have some recommendations to try to avoid this problem. My first recommendation is that you have to try to consult all the information in academic databases that have the bibliographic support necessary to carry out the consultation in a more specialized and secure way about the information that is being obtained. And the final recommendation that I have to you is that you have to consult people specialized in the subject so that the information obtained is as secure as possible about the processes that are carried out here in Colombia. This is my best recommendation for you, and that's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.